Welcome, my amazing seniors, to day 37 of our 60-day Strength and Mobility series. I am so happy that you are here with me today, showing commitment, discipline, and love for your health. If you are new here, you can absolutely start today, but I also encourage you to check out day 1 so you can follow this full journey with us. Take a deep breath, sit tall, and get ready, because today we are working together, step by step, slowly and safely, just like we do every day. Let us begin. Exercise 1, sit to stand, chair squats. 50 repetitions. Before we start, please place your sturdy chair on a flat surface. Sit comfortably with your feet shoulder width apart. Keep both feet planted firmly on the ground. Cross your arms in front of your chest, or if you need extra support, lightly hold the sides of the chair. Now engage your core, keep your chest up, and slowly stand up. Then lower yourself back down with control. This movement strengthens your thighs, hips, and overall balance. Remember to breathe steadily, move gently, and listen to your body. All right, my seniors, let us begin our 50 repetitions together. I am right here with you. Ready? Let us go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep your chest up and breathe. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Great work. How are you feeling? 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Keep going at your own pace. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. You are doing amazing. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Wonderful job. You should feel your legs waking up, warming up, and getting stronger. Stay with me, keep breathing, and get ready for the next exercise. Exercise 2, seated knee raises, 50 repetitions. Now let us move into our second exercise for day 37, which is the seated knee raise. This exercise is excellent for strengthening your lower abdomen, hips, and thighs while also improving balance and stability. Please sit tall on your sturdy chair and make sure both feet are flat on the ground. Place your hands gently on the sides of the chair for balance and support. Keep your shoulders relaxed, your spine straight, and your core tightened. This posture will help you lift your knees with better control and will prevent unnecessary strain. Here is how we will perform the movement. Lift one knee upward toward your chest while keeping your back straight. Lower it down slowly and then lift the opposite knee. We will continue alternating sides throughout the entire exercise. Remember to breathe naturally, avoid leaning backward, and keep your movements slow and steady. You are doing this for your strength, stability, and long-term mobility. Before we begin counting, tell me in the comments, which country are you watching from today? I love seeing our global senior community come together every day. All right, my amazing seniors, let us begin our 50 alternating knee raises. Sit tall, tighten your core, and follow my count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, stay steady. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Great rhythm. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Keep lifting. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, almost there. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Excellent work. You should feel your hips, thighs, and core muscles activating and warming up. Stay focused and keep your posture strong as we prepare for the next exercise. You are doing an incredible job today. Exercise 3, standing side leg lifts, 50 repetitions. Now we move into our final exercise for day 37, the standing side leg lift. This movement is excellent for strengthening the outer hips, improving balance, and supporting safer walking. Please stand behind your sturdy chair and place both hands gently on the backrest. Keep your feet hip-width apart, your shoulders relaxed, and your back straight. Engage your core muscles and soften your knees so that you remain stable throughout the movement. Standing tall and balanced is the key to performing this exercise safely and effectively. Here is how we will do it step by step. Keeping your posture straight, slowly lift your right leg out to the side without tilting your body. Bring it back down with control. Then lift your left leg in the same way. We will continue alternating legs for all 50 repetitions. Remember to lift only as high as you comfortably can. Do not rush the movement and keep your breathing calm and steady. You should feel a gentle activation in your outer hips and glutes. Before we start counting, I want to encourage you to share this video with 5 to 7 senior friends so they can join this journey with you and feel stronger every day. All right, my seniors, let us begin our standing side leg lifts together. Stand tall, hold the chair, and follow my voice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slow and steady. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. You are doing great. 21. 22. 23. 24. 25. 26. 27. 28. 29. 30. Keep your body straight. 31. 32. 33. 34. 35. 36. 37. 38. 39. 40. Almost done. 41. 42. 43. 44. 45. 46. 47. 48. 49. 50. Wonderful job completing all 50 repetitions. You should feel your hips more awake, your balance improving, and your confidence growing. Great job completing. Day 37. Stay strong, stay active, and I will see you tomorrow for day 38. Before you go, please share this video with other seniors so they can benefit and join this powerful daily routine with you.